At Dollar General, and I found these on the aisle. The regular, it was behind a whole bunch that are 50 count or 55 count, but the 42 count is ringing up on sale. So look behind everything. These weren't in the clearance area at all, just on the regular aisle. And I've been finding these a lot today as well. They're $1.80 or $1.50 something with a $3 digital. It's giving $1.39 of overage. So try to do that in each transaction. I've been finding these everywhere. And then the Lysol, this is 2 something, and then there's $1 digital that's attaching to this. So $1 for some Lysol, great deal. Let me see what else I can find. Okay guys, this is my haul for Friday. This is all digital. I used no paper coupons for these transactions, so I just want to show you that you don't need them. I have not been getting papers lately, so I had none to go with, but there's lots of digitals that are giving overage. You have to have a few accounts to do this, and you have to have clipped these coupons, days or weeks ago, because they're not available right now. So that's the great thing about Dollar General, is that they have a lot of coupons that are always, the digital coupons always match items that are on this clearance event. So that's what makes it so great. So here is, let's do this one really quick. This one, I found the Bounty at several stores. It's the 6 = 10. It's not the 6 = 9. Those will ring up regular price. And here is the UPC. Last 4, 7949. And they are ringing up $4.72. Regularly $9.45. I paired it with this Air Wick, and that's ringing up $1.51, and you see the $3 digital applied, as well as the 25-cent digital for the Bounty, and I paid $2.98 for those. So that's a way you can use your overage to get things you need. Okay, there's that one. And then here's another one. I found one of these just laying around. None of this stuff was in the clearance aisle. I'll show a clip of the bins they had out. None of that stuff was of interest to me. I looked on the regular aisles, and that's where you guys should look as well, because they don't really know all the items that are on clearance, the employees, and they don't really have time to pull it. So I got another one of these, and this, and a pack of gum. It's not shown here. So the Palmolive was 90 cents and the Air Wick 151, and I had to get the gum to absorb some of the overage, and you can see there I paid 51 cents for those two. Okay, let me do this one. Now, I was shopping I went to about 5 stores today, and mostly every single store had these 42 count Gain. They were in the regular aisle. No one knows that they're on sale for $5.47. But oh, you can't even see this one, but yeah. Let me get another one where you can see the price. The Gain Flings, $5.37. No digital is attaching to it right now. So I got one of these. I got the Air Wick again with the $3 digital. And then I found one of the Cocoa Butter body washes. Those are $1. The receipt's really hard to look at. I'm not sure. It was $1 something, and I had $1 digital, so I paid $3.55 for the Gain Flings, the body soap, and the Air Wick. Great transaction. Okay, this one is a little bit more because I got some food items. I like to get these. These are great to stock up on. And they were 77 cents. So I got a few of those. I found one of the, oh my gosh, you guys, I have a crazy stalker lady living next to me, and the cops just got here, and hopefully they'll take her to jail, but she is just Looney Tunes. I mean, cray. She keeps coming up to my door, telling me she loves me, and she's stolen our mail. She had 2 of our credit cards in her possession, and luckily the cops brought them back. But can you imagine? But I just had to talk to the cops for a minute, so that was crazy. Anyhow, I found one of these, it's the number 510. That's what I always look for when it's on clearance for $1.80 and the $3 digital is attaching, so that gives us $1.20 in overage. Oh, I found the Lysol sprays. Yeah, they were $2.25, and the digital came off both of them. Wait, one of those? Okay, they both were. One was $2.47, one was $2.25, and then I got another Airwick, and I got another Gain Fling, because you can resell these really easily. I mean, I paid a little, less than $5 for them, but you can resell them for $10 easily. So all of that came to $7.42. That was the most I spent today, because the food items. If I didn't get this, it probably would have been a lot cheaper. But we all need food, so. And then this is the last store I went to. I got another Bounty, and that's $4.72. I got the Airwick again. One of these, when I scanned this on the app, it doesn't say it's on sale, but I went ahead and took it out to the register and had them price check it, and $1.57 with $1 digital. So that was 57 cents. And to get some more overage, I utilized this again. And that gave us some overage, and I paid $2.35 for that. So that's just amazing to get Bounty that cheap. So you guys, the Bounty was in the aisles, just the regular aisles, and I didn't have any trouble finding it. So good luck, you guys. I just wanted to show you a few things that are on clearance. That way, when you go out today, tomorrow, Sunday, you'll be able to locate them easily and know for sure that they're on sale, especially this 42 count flings. Yay! Okay, I'll talk to you guys soon.